Hello from Bali. Today we start with the first lesson, Tango Milonguero. Awareness about posture and axis. Try to stand straight with your heels closed and all your chakras aligned in one line, and the energy is going out from the crown of your head. From this position, when you are really straight, you try to manage your weight to the front and to the back. Always coming to the center. So you feel your weight in your toes, in your metatarsus, in your arc, and in your heel. In your arc, in your metatarsus, in your toe. And again, you shift your weight slowly forward from the toes to the back and feel how far you can go until you lose your balance. So stand straight, shoulders relaxed, and discover your weight, how much you can go, until you still have full control about your own axis. So the next exercise will be going from left to right and right to left. We change weight. So we go from the weight full of the right leg, going up to the center where the weight is on both feet, and then we go to the left where the weight is only on the left leg. Every time we are on one leg, we relax the free leg, and the weight over the free leg will become heavy. So the hip over the free leg will become heavy and will drop. So you start again. So this you do several times from one side to the other side. In tango we call this weight changing. Weight changing is the term when we switch weight from one leg to the other. Weight changing is an important tool for the leader. With the weight change, he can define the follower's axis and free leg. Second, he can feel pauses to change directions. And further, he can interpret the music as a rhythmical element. So he can use the weight change for musicality reasons also. Number 3, the open step. Next practice is to continue from the weight change into an open step, and we go to the back again. So we first we glide with our toe over the floor, feel the floor, we stretch out the leg, and then we shift over the weight to the other leg. The second practice is we go one step to the side, weight change, back again to the other side, weight change, and we practice that from one side to the other side. In Tango Milonguero, we always dance close embrace. Therefore, continue to the next video, embrace and connection. See you soon. If you like this video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.